Let's talk about a few examples from page 3 of your notes handout. Basically what the top of this page says is that as long as the algebra doesn't go wrong, you can evaluate limits by simply using substitution. So, for example, if I look at question A down here, what's the limit as x approaches 1 of negative x squared plus 1? I could try it. Could I plug in, as long as I can plug in, this is the opposite of 1 squared plus 1. That's the opposite of 1 plus 1 equals 0. None of the algebra went wrong. So algebra can go wrong when you try to divide by 0, if you try to take the square root of a negative number, or if you try to take any logarithm, any base logarithm of 0 or any negative number. So none of those things happen. So all of these limits I can just evaluate by plugging in. Also, algebra, if we talk about functions or expressions, we can use the algebra that we would expect to work, still works when we're taking a limit. So, for example here, that's the limit as x approaches c of f of x plus g of x is going to be equal to the limit as x approaches c of f of x plus the limit as x approaches c of g of x. And I know I've been told the limit as x approaches c of f of x is 2 plus the limit as x approaches c of g of x is 3. My answer here would be 5. We could do another one here. If I wanted to find the limit as x approaches c of f of x divided by g of x, that's going to be the limit as x approaches c of f of x divided by the limit as x approaches c of g of x, which I know these two values. The limit as x approaches c of f of x is 2, and the limit as x approaches c of g of x is 3. So 2/3, my final answer. And just one more thing I'll mention. If you get to page 5, at home tonight I printed out a copy of page 5 to use while I was working on the videos. And for me, the actual function didn't show on the page. So I'm not sure if your copy is missing the function. Maybe you just have blank looking axes. So I'm going to leave a couple of seconds of this picture of page 5 for you so that you could draw your own function in, so that you could work on that page if you're ready to do that. And I'll put this up in class tomorrow too.